tell you that I love you, and I pray you try to trick me, but baby, you told me you was going through this with me. Tell me I was tripping, that my eyes were seeing shit, but it was just the truth. No, you can't admit to it.
Hey guys, my name is Poetress. If you do, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Today I am coming in here to show you guys some new products from my cousin's company, Queen Hemp. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So the first thing in the box is this keychain right here, which is the logo of my cousin's company. I thought it was very, very cute for her to include this in her package. I am a person that loves keychains, so I'm very, very happy about this. This is gonna go on my keys because I love collecting keychains. So I also got this Blue Dream Pre-Roll, which is 300 milligram THC and 12% CBD. It's Delta's Moon Rock Blunts 1 gram pre-roll. Very sticky, and this is the packaging for it. I also ordered the Queen Hemp Indoor Selection Sierra Sunrise, which has 15% of CBD and 0.3% of THC. That's what it looks like. This is what it looks like on the inside. It smells really good too. Really, really good. It's the Delta 8 flower, which has 9.5 THC and 23% CBD, cookies and cream, and it's basically for people 21 and up. So this is what it looks like. And then on the inside, I think this is seeds. I don't know what this is. I think you put it on there. I don't know what this is. So if you can let me know what this is, please. But this is what it looks like. The cookies and cream. I'm excited. I'm excited to try these. I remember ordering the cookies and cream, but I thought they was gonna be like in the back, but they ended up being in the jar. But thank you, cuz, for sending me the products. I'm going to try them out. If any of you guys are interested in any of the Queen Hemp products aside from these, you can go on the website. I will link all that information down in the description box. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright? Do the show.